Well, here's some damages. We had 10 inches of snow last night. They said 6, but it's obvious that it was 10 inches in the Gaffney area. We had power lines fall. It's really been hard to get onto the streets. The power has been off. The power's been off for many hours. About 12-15 hours during the night. We had thunder and lightning. I tried to remove 2 of my cars before the tree in the back fell. The tree is split in 3 directions, and when it fell, it sounded like thunder. That was after the power had been knocked off. I was lucky to move this car out from the area over here to keep from having the tree limbs fall on it. This is a 2005 Mazda 6, a very low mileage on that car. Sometimes snow is beautiful, and then sometimes it just it causes accidents and death. People really are very careless. They don't realize the dangers, especially in this area of the country. People just drive like they know what they're doing. Here's a picture of a tree down in my neighbor's yard. This you see there is just a telephone cable, and you can see it's almost 6 inches covered as it goes up to the power pole. Power poles are still covered with snow. The trees in the yard there. We really had a very heavy snow last night. 3 inches of moisture. Our basement flooded. I've been pumping probably 1,000 gallons of water out of our basement because of the design of some of these homes here in Gaffney, and the way they did the streets here. The slope causes the water to run toward the house. This house is a nice house. It was built 50 years ago, and people then just didn't think about preventing things like this from happening. That right there, that cable that you see in the line there, that's our telephone cable. It almost has 6 inches around it, and it was completely covered all the way back. And during the night, they were almost touching the ground, almost touching the street, in fact.